Hello, this is Thomas, and today we will be making Eggnog Snickerdoodles. This is a new recipe for a sort of Christmas cookie that we discovered a year ago, and they are really yummy. So today I will be showing you how to make them. The first thing you're going to do is take 3.5 cups of flour and put that in a bowl. And then you're going to add in 1.5 teaspoons of cream of tartar, and 1 teaspoon of baking soda. And then you're just going to whisk that together. And then you can set that off to the side. Now you're going to take an electric mixer and add in 2 sticks of softened butter, 1 3/4 cup of sugar, and 1 teaspoon of kosher salt. Now you're gonna beat this on medium-high for about 3 to 4 minutes until it's light and fluffy. So I will be back in 3 to 4 minutes. Once that's done mixing, you're going to add in 1 egg plus 2 yolks, and then just mix that in. Now you're going to add in 1 tablespoon of rum extract. And this is important because, well, it doesn't make the cookies taste like rum. This is what makes them taste like eggnog somehow. I don't really know how, but it does. And now you're going to mix that in, and then after that's mixed in, then you're going to increase the speed to medium from low, and then you're going to beat that for another 1 to 2 minutes. Once that's done, you're gonna turn it off and add in your flour mixture from before and beat this in on low speed. Once that your flour is all mixed in, you're going to take this off of your mixer and you're just going to let it sit for 10 minutes. While your dough is sitting, you're going to preheat your oven to 350, and then you're going to line 2 baking sheets of parchment paper. So unfortunately my camera stopped recording, but fortunately you only missed me telling you that after you do your 2 sheets with parchment paper, then you're going to take a bowl and add in 1/4 cup of granulated sugar and 2 teaspoons of ground nutmeg, and then you're going to stir those around and set this off to the side. And then, since my dough has not been sitting for the full 10 minutes yet, I will be back after it has been sitting for those full 10 minutes. Now you're gonna take a cookie scoop or a spoon, and you're going to take little balls of your dough, and then you're going to roll them in your hands, and then you're gonna roll this around in your nutmeg sugar and put this on your tray. Once you're done rolling your cookies, you can put them in the oven for 10 to 13 minutes. So I will be back when they come out. You'll know your cookies are done when they look a little bit puffed up like this, and they will get less puffed up as they cool. But now you're just going to take them out and let them cool for as long as you want. These are also good on later days. You don't have to eat them the first day. So I'm probably only gonna let them cool for about 10 minutes and then eat one just to finish this video, but you can let them cool for as long as you want. Once you've let these cool for as long as you wanted them to, you can eat one. I've already had a lot of dessert tonight and I'm pretty full, but I still have to eat one of these because they're really yummy. So I will do that now. These are really yummy and they taste a surprising amount like eggnog, even though there's actually no eggnog in them. And they're also really easy because the hardest part is just rolling out the dough, because that takes so much more time than the rest of it, and it still only took about 10 minutes. So you should definitely make these, and they're really yummy. And even though this video might be a little bit after Christmassy season, they are still really yummy and you should still make them. So hopefully you enjoyed this video. Hopefully you enjoy these cookies if you make them. Thanks for watching and I will see you next time. Goodbye.